How to add address in Cash App. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So just open your Cash App and log in. Go to your profile on the top right, then tap on personal, then tap on add address, and there you have it. So at this moment you can only add address in United States. So since this I cannot use in my region, you just have to enter your address, your zip code, and fill up the details. Make sure you enter legit details and not any fake details, and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one. So just open your Cash App and log in. Go to your profile on the top right, then tap on personal, then tap on add address, and there you have it. So at this moment you can only add address in United States. So since this I cannot use in my region, you just have to enter your address, your zip code, and fill up the details. Make sure you enter legit details and not any fake details, and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any